Why did you talk to me like that? Since that you pushed me out. What have I done? You locked my thing inside. What should I do? I don't have even time right now to pay transfer go. They said you would the way you come and carry me through like this.
Let me go. This is me. Come out my house. Let me go.
Why do this?
Go to my house.
If not my brother, I would have opened my mouth and caused you.
Madam, go to my house. Go to this way to do
I
so.
opened my mouth and caused you.
Okay, don't drink now. I drink the drink. Why drink? What's concern you? Huh?
This thing maybe drink something.
Okay, what
if you were being harmed? How you go sit down and drink? Look at where you go sit down and drink. Odogwu. Why they do like this now? Odogwu, calm down here first. What's with this one? You don't see what's in there here? I better calm down.
Look at this.
You know, how many videos this guy don't post last night? Don't forget to go to sit down. What did they drink? This thing I drink something.
What's with this one?
Nkanda, we don't come now. Come carry comfort now. You don't see him online.
So I go there. You gotta call this thing.
Me, what call you? Big phone.
So I go there for this place. Gotta go there. What you ready for this place to do?
Me, I don't call you. Make we start down. You big phone.
What? So when I go there for this place, gotta call this thing for this place. Go for this place.
Okay, what you ever do? You give me order. Okay, what if we block the man, beat the man now? You say you don't send us. So we go first, Sam. Talk about this. Look at your aunty. Me, I don't know why you come get this kind of man. No, I don't. Me, I understand. Okay, no be like I don't understand. I understand. But you don't have come to this now. You look at this woman since last night. She there for 8 years.
Yeah, hear me so. Go respect yourself. You hear me so. Make your mind what you talk.
Okay, what if call enter her body?
Go carry and go. You carry and go.
Woman.
You carry and go. You carry and go. You supposed to go to your husband's house. See yesterday you been not.
No, you didn't talk to me. Why did you talk to me like that? Since that you pushed me out. What have I done? You locked my thing inside. What should I do? I don't have even time right now to pay transfer go. They said you would the way you come and carry me through my husband's house. So come and disgrace me like this. Why do you disgrace me like this? Why do you disgrace me like this? Why do you disgrace me like this?
Let me go. This is me. Come out my house. Let me go.
Why do you disgrace me like this?
Go to my house.
Why do you disgrace me like this? Why do you disgrace me like this? Why do you disgrace me like this? What do you want to do now? Why do you disgrace me like this? Why they do like this? Come down now. Why they do like this? You don't think that this thing now next matters. You won't die.
So, make a outside.
They outside how? We go village there, go there look for who to bring now. Come, make them come go undo all this nonsense. You don't know say this thing no matters.
This is what I do. This is what I do. When I don't go there, come my house. This is what I do. This is what I do.
No, we take no they talk, no use that kind of
thing. I do.
Me and you know,
we
did together, we put heads together. That is nonsense. This idiot, God will punish you. Say, you use camera now, they video in every house. Of course you now. Of course you now. You're the one that can come to my house. I would have cursed you. Because of the kind of disgrace that you disgraced me. I don't know how you come there like this. You know they feel like this, though. How you go there, sit down there. Okay, wait till me. Okay, that drink now.
I drink the drink. Why drink? What's concern you? Huh?
This thing maybe drink something. Okay, what if you were being harmed? How you go sit down and drink? Look at where you go sit down and drink.
When you open that, you enter inside.
How you go enter inside? Enter motor when we go find who go to come and do this thing. Aunty.
Madam, come for that place.
Aunty, don't go closer to that thing because you don't know what that man do.
You guys make you go to husband's house, go to Amo. Make you carry this thing, make you go to husband's house, go to Amo.
If not my brother, I would have opened my mouth and caused you.
Madam, go to husband's house, go to this way to do so. You hear me so? You don't come manipulate. You don't dare manipulate. You don't dare manipulate.
Auntie, you don't know this kind of thing now.
May God forgive you.
Enter motor.
Don't come back to my police place.
Enter motor, come out now.
I don't come back to my police place. Bet you go to husband's house.
You stop your funeral to enter this motor.
The pikin when you come to
So you want the manager? What punish you? Come be a manager, make I see.
You hear me so? The pikin when you come to take care of this house, don't go. They don't carry and go. So you go respect yourself. As the pikin don't go, so you follow the go. Make it find the go.
God forgive you. I was in my husband's house. You come and disgrace me. After that, you said I should